A very good morning to dear students. Now today we are going, as you know, that we are doing area and boundary. Now here the formula of area of rectangle is L into B. So if the question is saying about the length, that what is the length, then the formula will be area divided by breadth. And if the question is asking what is the breadth, so formula will be area divided by length. Now here's a one question, that every day Dadaji walk 8 times around a rectangular park if length is 100 meter and breadth is 75 centimeter. Here is meter, here is centimeter. What distance does he walk every day? Now here is a rectangular park and Dadaji walks every day. Now the length of the park is 100 meter. Breadth of the park is 75 centimeter. So first of all you have to convert this centimeter into meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then as you know that centimeter we have to convert it meter. What we will do, we will divide. Then 75 divided by 100. Here is 2. Here will be, put the point, then answer will be 0.75 meter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So here is 2 into 100. Here is 100 meter plus 0.75 centimeter. The answer will be 0.75 multiplied by 2, 201.50 meter. It will be the answer. Now in one round Dadaji covers 201.50 meter. 8 round Dadaji covers will be multiplied by 8. 201.50 multiplied by 8 is 1612 meter. Now this is the answer. Now one question is find missing length. Now you have done it earlier also, that if all the sides are given and one side is missing, okay, and the perimeter is given. So how can you find out the missing side? Find the missing side. The perimeter is given 147 centimeter. Missing side. How can you find out the missing side? The formula of missing side is perimeter minus sum of all sides. Then perimeter is 147 minus sum of all sides means 10 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 12 22 centimeter plus 11 centimeter will be 61. Now you have to minus it. 147 divided minus by 26 minus 61 will be 86 centimeter is the missing length of this figure. Question is find the perimeter and area of the given areas. Here is the picture is given. As you see that this is a square and this is a rectangle. And you have to find out area and perimeter. Then area of figure A is, if the one side is 7 centimeter means all the side is 7 centimeter. So side into side means 7 into 7, 49 centimeter square. Area of figure B, this is 16 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Area of figure B is area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then 16 into 6 multiplied by 96 centimeter square. Perimeter of figure A. And now you have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Then 4 into side. Side is 7 centimeter. 4 into 7, that is 28 centimeter. Now the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here is 16 plus 6, that is 22. If you multiplied it by 2, you will get 44 centimeter square. Now children, is this area and boundary? You have to learn all the formula of area of perimeter, area and perimeter of square and rectangle. You have to learn it very carefully. Then only you have to solve these questions. Area of figure B. Now what is the area of figure B? Here is 96 divided by 40. Now till here you have to know about the area of figure A and B and the perimeter of figure A and B. Now here you have to just compare it. You have to compare the in between figure A and figure B. Now area of figure B, that is which is more, then here is 96 centimeter and 96 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square. Which will be the more area, B1 or A, whose area is greater than. So we have to minus it. We will find out 47 centimeter square more than figure A. B is more than figure A. Area of figure B is more than the area of figure A. After the perimeter of figure B, that is 44 and perimeter of figure is 28. Now you have to minus it. 44 minus 28, you will get 16 centimeter more than figure A. Means perimeter of figure B is 16 centimeter more than figure A. Now this is a comparison between the two figures, that is one is square and the second is rectangle. You have to find out the perimeter and area of the given areas and answer the questions. Now which one will be the more and which will be the more in area, which will be the more in perimeter. So it will be the answer. Thank you.